Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Sonic Blue 2006 Ford Focus S, stock number A6346A. The hood here is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim. Getting a close-up on the tread, that is in good shape. You do have an Advanta tire here. And then inside there is a gray cloth upholstery. That's in fantastic condition as well. You've got seating for 2 up front, and there is seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Focus. And we'll take a quick look down the passenger side. The reason that I'm showing you this Focus today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. And then to the interior, coming over to the center, there is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 4-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 32 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Focus or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.